Listen, a bob will eat down year round, but it's something about the spring and summer that makes you just want to style it up, throw you on a cute hat like this crochet one. Even if you want to switch it up even more, y'all, go ahead and grab you a wand curl, a curler, a flat iron, and curl it. And the best part is it looks like our hair, but it's not. Y'all, Yaki straight is that girl, and I need to tell y'all all about it and how to easily install, so keep on watching. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Ash Takeoff, and we are about to be installing this 7x5 Yaki straight human hair bob from Unice hair. Now with this bob, not only is it Yaki straight, which will give you a very realistic natural look, but it also comes with a new drawstring that allows you to adjust it to fit your head snug while still giving you a seamless finish. Not only is it pre-everything, but you're definitely going to be saving money with this wig because it's such a great quality for an affordable price. Now let me show you quick and easy ways to go ahead and install it without having to do too much. Go ahead and grab your foundation shade so you can tint the lace. This is key to give you that seamless look. Also with this wax stick, I like to go in and do that with my hot comb for a few passes. This is going to help allow the wig to lay flat on your head. So if you like the hump look, you do you, but for me, I want my wig to lay flat. Now ignore my little bitty beads back there in the kitchen, but I want to show y'all how this drawstring works. You're literally going to pull it and adjust it to your likeness and then tuck that little piece underneath and you're good to go. Now I personally chose to wear this wig glueless. Once I adjusted it, the lace laid exactly how I needed to, but don't forget you can always go in with your glue, your adhesive spray, your adhesive tape to let it be more secure if you need that, but this wig fit perfect for me. And now I'm just taking my flat iron to bump out some of those ends from it being packaged. And y'all, that's literally all I had to do. So go ahead and stay tuned so you can see me style this hair in some loose curls as well. Shout out to Unice hair, y'all. All the information on this hair will be down below. This wig is literally under $100. Very much worth it because the quality and the fact that it can look so realistic is very much worth it. I really hate to ramble in my videos, so I think I'm about to go. I hope you guys stay tuned to the end to see the final results. Please, please, please subscribe if you're interested in more content from me and to support me along this journey. I would love to have you a part of my fam because we're on the road to 15K, y'all. It's been a long road. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.